Hey y'all, Zach with Real Property Associates here. It's now January, a little bit into January here, a couple weeks in, and I'm over in Chelan for the weekend. I've got the lake behind me and a little bit of snow. So wanted to get this market update to you before it gets too late into the month. We'll do January's market update and also throw in the Q4 update here so we can throw it all into one video for this month. So for the month of January, this is going back to December stats. So in the month of December, the median sales price was $624,000 in the city of Seattle, a little bit up from where we were in November and October. That's an 8.5% jump over last December. So good news there for homeowners. We've got 1.4% over the asking price was kind of where the sales landed. So if it was listed for a certain price, it was going over the asking price on average again here in December, and that was the trend for all of 2016. The number of new listings, there were 311 new listings in the month of December and 442 listings pending at the end of the month. So the majority of the listings that came on during the month ended up going pending, and actually we saw 100 more pending listings this December than we did last December. And so the inventory, which was hovering right around a month in the city of Seattle, is actually down even more. We're at 0.6 months of inventory. So we're already having record lows over the last few years of inventory, and we're even seeing those record lows even lower. Last December was 0.5 months, so we're looking a lot like we did in 2015. So what I'm thinking, and I'm going to go ahead and do another video here that's talking about my kind of recapping 2016 and my predictions for 2017. But this year, what we're seeing now this time of year is looking a lot like what we saw last year. So you can expect to have pretty similar trends for next year. I do want to recap the Q4 really quick. So the median sales price right around $615 for the Q4. We had 2,139 sales in Q4. That was 200 more than this time last year. So sales were up, and like I said, inventory is still right around the same numbers. Interest rates in Q4 went up significantly. So we were right around 4% going into last year, maybe a little bit more, and we were seeing interest rates somewhere in 3 to 3.4, 3.5, 3.6. We were having really low interest rates there for a while in Q3 and Q2 last year, and those interest rates have gone up, and at some points even over a whole percentage point into the mid fours. I'm not quoting interest rates, I'm just giving you ranges after talking to my lender. So we've seen quite a bit of jump in interest rate, and so that will probably affect next year a little bit, but those have leveled off a little bit. A lot of that was tied to President Trump now, who's elected. When he was elected by the Electoral College, there was kind of a frenzy in the bond market and the stock markets. The bond market's going down, stock market's going up, which was affecting the interest rates. Expect to see those level off a little bit, and we'll talk a little bit more about these in my next video. But happy January, happy 2017, and we'll talk to you guys here soon.